is a single input, multiple output production add-on for the metal fabrication industry. Now, this add-on is specifically made for a very core process available in metal fabrication industry, which is called as the first ops, or the first operation process, where a single steel plate or a steel sheet or a pipe or a rod or a channel or angle is converted into smaller cut and bent piece parts, which are further fed into assemblies and sub-assemblies and welded together. Since the raw material cost is of very critical nature for the fabrication industry, the fabrication industry basically uses a nesting application or a software to optimize the wastage when smaller piece parts are cut from the main sheet metal or plate. Now, this process is replicated in the single input, multiple output add-on. So the add-on makes sure SAP Business One standard doesn't have an option where you give a single raw material and you get multiple FGs or semi-finished goods. So that feature is not available. This add-on basically helps you to achieve the nesting capability or the first operation requirements of the metal fabrication industry. The add-on ensures that you receive a single input raw material, which might be a steel plate or a steel sheet, along with the batch number or the heat number details, and the nesting information like what are the piece parts which are going to be cut out of this particular steel sheet or plate, along with the quantity can be noted in the output, and the wastages and the yield details can also be loaded along with the laser cutting machine hour rates or the flame cutting machine hour rates. And once it's posted, the output of this particular add-on is basically cut and bent parts with proper costing, along with the scrap cost and the yield and any other consumable cost or the machine hour rates are basically captured in the cut and bent parts. Now, this is a very critical add-on which helps you to achieve the first operations requirement of fabrication industry in SAP Business One.